What's the meaning of cogently? Cogently. Cogently.
Cogently. Cogently. The term cogently refers to the ability to present an argument or idea in a clear, logical, and persuasive manner. When someone presents their thoughts cogently, they are able to communicate their message effectively and with conviction, making it easier for others to understand and accept their viewpoint. This can be achieved through the use of clear language, well-organized ideas, and evidence-based reasoning. Cogent speakers are often seen as more knowledgeable and trustworthy, as they demonstrate a mastery of their subject matter and the ability to communicate it effectively.